Thank you for joining us today here at FocalPoint Software. What we're going to be going over today is the customer portal side of the e-commerce application of our software. This gives your customer the ability to log into their account and look and see at anything that they have going on. So if you would click on My Account, what it will do is it will bring them into their account information if they're already logged in. If not, they would be asked to put in an email and a password to be able to get into their account. From there, they can see all their account information, their contact information, their customer number, their address, and their phone number. They can also go and look at all their shipping information that they have, so they can see if all the shipping information is still active. If they needed to change their password, they could click here and change their password. They can go into their balance and see what their current balance is with your company. So they can see that they owe $6,904 in 0 to 30, and they've got $3,901 over 31 to 60 days, and then their total balance over here. We also give them the ability to go into their invoices, and if they wanted to pay an invoice, they can click on here and see all their open invoices that they have. Say they wanted to pay the $900 one, they can click here, go into the $987.93. We can hit process. From here, you can either do this by credit card or by ACH or e-check if you allow that to go within your company. So we're going to do this by credit card. We're going to hit next. We're going to be asked to fill in some information as the customer. And then we're going to put in our credit card information, and then we're going to hit the payment screen. This will process the payment, take it right back into your FocalPoint system, update the customer information or customer account. They can preview this. It will give them a receipt to be able to print off for their record or save for their record, whichever they prefer. Then from there, we can move on to the quotes. So we can look at any open quotes that we have with your company. So if I click here, I can see that I've got a concrete buggy. If I would like to go ahead and convert that, I could contact you and convert that to a reservation. I can make a payment on that as well. If I wanted to look at my orders that I have out right now, this gives you the ability to look at all of your open orders. You can see the skid steer that you have on rent. If I needed to make a payment on this, I can click on payment and make a payment on this particular order as well. From there, I can go into reservations. So in the reservations, you can click here and you can see what that is. The other part about this is great for the party side of the business, the event side. If you needed to allow your customers to make payments on reservations, this gives you the ability to make a payment on a reservation. They can make a partial payment on it and make payments throughout the time. You're able to give the customer portal to anybody that you want within your organization to allow them to be able to make those payments. Next is you can see your sales only. You can also see all the equipment that you have on rent broke out by the individual equipment. You can see here's the equipment ID, here's the description of the equipment. You can see the date that it was rented, the due date that it's due back, the order number it's on, and the shipping address that it is on as well, giving them full transparency of everything that they have out on rent. If they wanted to look at their statements, we have the ability to go in here and look at the last generated statement, and they can see everything that was on their last statement to help them streamline their business and make them more successful with you and your company as well. This is what the customer portal can do for you and your company and for your customers, giving them full transparency of everything that they have going on with your organization. If you would like to know more information about the customer portal, please feel free to reach out to anyone here at the FocalPoint Software. We would be more than happy to sit down with you and talk to you about the customer portal. You can also reach us on our website at www.vism-corp.com. We look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great day.